We'll guide you through how to fix a black screen on an iPhone. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I've used these methods to go and fix mine before. First of all, you want to make sure your iPhone has got some charge, so go and plug it in just like so. So mine will turn on as mine's currently working, but I've managed to do this before. Let it charge just for a couple minutes and it may then go and boot up if it's just completely run out of battery. However, if you let it charge for 10-20 minutes, maybe longer, and it still is black, then what you want to do is do a forced restart. So to go and do that, all you need to do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then you hold the power button. Now, of course, because my phone screen's working, you're going to see this, but yours will just remain black. Just keep on holding the power button and then it'll go black. Of course, you won't really be able to go and tell that, but you keep on holding it until you go and see the Apple logo. And that's a sign your iPhone is now starting again. And as soon as you see the Apple logo, let go. And even if your iPhone screen is black, it should then go and fix the problem and it should go and start up. If it hasn't and you're still having problems, then it may be worth getting in touch with Apple to go and get it repaired. I hope you found this useful.